Hit that nigga shots just like Jackson and Jackson. I'm a junkie. I know it's hard to tell, but I was broke before I climbed it. I got a line, but I'm too busy being honest. Ayy, panoramic. Ayy, I know how to whip that. When she get in it, ayy, he can't get his bitch back. Soon you don't acknowledge them. Niggas go to switching sides from a cell to a mansion. Like a flag line. Yeah, she ain't got no evidence, so I ain't copping out. I was be trying to talk it out, but it ain't shit to talk about. Niggas that I grew up with and love, they all jealous now. I miss them and I want them niggas wrong, but they got too much pride. In and out of the toilet, I had it hard. I wonder what happened when the stars fall. Trying to be sure they don't wanna celebrate. I hope you don't tell some never illustrate. I hope I don't lose it. I know my life like a movie and I can't forget about it. I'm still on probation and I hold the pill. Don't search my house, got too many choppers. I gave a chance to change, I gave her my life, but she was just in it.